Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dodi. Today the topic of my presentation, Operation Research. Definition. Simulation is the process of designing a model of a real system and conducting experiment with this model for the purpose of understanding the behavior for the operation of the system. Simulation technique. Simulation technique can be used to assist management decision making where analytical methods are either not available or inappropriate. Typical business problem where simulation could be used to aid management decision making are inventory control, queuing problems, production planning. Advantages of simulation. It is useful for sensitivity analysis of complex systems. It is suitable to analyze large and complex real-life problems that cannot be solved by the usual quantitative method. It is the remaining tools when all other techniques become intractable or fail. It can be used as a pre-service test to try out new policies and decision rules for operating a system. Disadvantages of simulation. Sometimes simulation models are expensive and taken a long time to develop. Each application of simulation is ad hoc to a great extent. The simulation model does not produce answer by itself. It is the trial and error approach that produces different simulation in repeat runs. It does not generate optimal simulation to the problems. Type of simulation. Time dependent and time independent simulation. In time dependent simulation, precise time when the event is likely to occur, but in case of time independent simulation is not important to know the time when the event is occur. Corporate and financial simulation. The corporate and financial simulation is used in corporate planning, especially the financial aspect. The models integrate production, finance, marketing and other functions. Visual interactive simulation. It uses computer graphics display to present the construction of change in the value of input variance in the model. Step of simulation process. Identify the problems. The simulation process is used to solve a problem only when the assumptions required for analytical models are not satisfied. Identify the decision variables and decide the performance. The inventory control situation, the demand, lead time and safety stock are identified as decision variables and measures the performance. Contract a simulation model. For developing a simulation model and intimate understanding for the relationship among the elements of the system being required. Testing and validating model. Any simulation model must represent the system under study. The require comparing a model with actual system validation process, designing and the experiment. It refers to controlling the conditions of the study, such as the variable to include in this situation where observations are taken but the conditions of the study are not controlled. Run the simulation model. The computer to get results in the form of operating characteristics. Evaluating the result. The simulation process is complete, then select the best course of action, otherwise make this desired change in model decision variables. Simulation and queuing problems. A major application of simulation has been the analysis of waiting line for queuing systems. Since the time spent by people and things waiting in line is a valuable resource, the reduction of waiting time is an important aspect of operating management. Waiting time has also become more important because of the increased emphasis on quantity. Customer equate quality is service with quick service, and providing quick service has become an important aspect of quality service. For queuing system, it is usually not possible to develop analytical formulas, and simulation is often the only means of analysis. Simulation can hence be used to investigate problems that are common in any simulation involving customers, items, or orders arriving at a given point and being processed in a specified order. For example, customer arrive in bank and from a single queue which fills a number of service desks. The arrival rate of the customer will determine the number of service desks to have open at any specific point in time. Components of queuing system. A queue system can be divided into four components. Arrivals, concerned with how ICU items, people, car, etc. arrive in the system. Queue or waiting line, concerned with what happens between the arrival of an item requiring service and the time when service is carried out. Service, concerned with the time taken to serve a customer. Outlet or departure, the exit from the system. A queuing problem involves striking balance between the cost of making reduction in service time and the benefit from such production. Structure or queuing system. There are a number of structures of queuing system in practice. We will study only one. Example: single queue, single service point. Quiz discipline is first come, first served. Arrival are random, and for simulations, randomness must be taken into account. Service time are random, and for simulation this randomness must be taken into account. Internal arrival time is the time between J&E successive customer in queuing situation. Service time is the length of time taken to serve customers. Thank you.